Good morning, students. Today we start the session, that is the regulation of breathing. So, what is the connection between the lungs and brain? Today we discuss that. So, let's start. Regulation of breathing. Well, respiration is under dual control. One is your nervous system. One is nervous systems, another is your chemical systems. So with these two systems, there is a control of brain on the lungs. So the human adults which breathe normal in 1 minute up to 12 times. How many times? 12 times. Human adult in 1 minute he breathes 12 times, and the newborn baby which are infants जो अभी recently पैदा हो गया, so they breathe 44 times per minute. Get it? The normal breathing is involuntary process. Involuntary means the process which cannot control, which cannot, हम उसको control नहीं कर सकते. We control it, but a little bit. Let me tell, I am telling you in next sessions. So the steady rate of respirations which are controlled by the neurons located in pons and medulla. जो छोटा ब्रेन है, बोलते हैं छोटा ब्रेन. So उसके वहाँ पे पॉन्स एंड मेडुला रहते हैं, ये दोनों जो सेंटर्स है वो रेस्पिरेशन कंट्रोल करते हैं, कंट्रोलिंग ऑन दैट, एंड वी कॉल इट एज अ रेस्पिरेटरी सेंटर्स. सो द रेट एंड द डेप्थ ऑफ ब्रीदिंग व्हिच आर कंट्रोल्ड बाय पॉन्स एंड मेडुला ऑब्लांगेटा व्हिच आर न्यूरॉन्स व्हिच आर प्रेजेंट इन द स्मॉल ब्रेन्स. सो दीज आर डिवाइडेड इनटू थ्री ग्रुप्स, दैट इज डॉर्सल एंड वेंट्रोलैटरल. डॉर्सल मींस दिस, lateral means back, and ventral and lateral means a side one. Okay, so the dorsal group of brain, you can say dorsal group of mons medulla, which regulate the inspiratory center. Inspiratory means inspirations, intake of oxygen in the lungs, which are controlled by the brain. Which part? Dorsal. And the ventro and lateral, the both groups which are regulate to both inspiratory systems as well as expiratory systems. Intake of oxygen and outtake of CO2, both the process which are controlled by the ventrolateral group. Get it? Now there is a how there is a presence of pneumotoxic center. Which center? There is a presence of in brain this pneumotoxic center present in brain which are gives the impulse to the lungs that he have to take the oxygen inside and expel the CO2 outside, which is control your rapid eye movement, your what can I say, your sleepiness, your wake upness, कि आपको सोना कब है, आपको जागना कब है, this is controlled by this thing. Then your rapid eye ऐसे पल के झपकाना, this is how to control this pneumotoxic center. Now here you can see the diagram. Here on page number 160, see where you want here brain, your heart and lungs. So it will, what can I say, explain everything if you see. Now during inspiration means inside, taking the oxygen into the lung. During inspirations the lungs get expanded, जब बोलते हैं chest cavity बढ़ जाती है. During inspiration, when you take inspirations, the lung cavity, chest get expanded. So there is a presence of nerves, vagus nerve. There is a presence of vagus nerve. So when you take the oxygen, the chest become expanded. So it will not to be burst. It will not to be burst. We take oxygen in a limit. So the vagus nerve shows that when there is a intake of oxygen and chest cavity becomes swell. So the vagus nerve give impulse to the brain that the chest cavity is full of oxygen and it cannot take breathe inside more. So vagus nerve, what he did, he sent the impulse to the brain that inspiration, now you have to stop the inspiration because the lung is filled of oxygen. So when the vagus nerve give the impulse, the brain suddenly stop the inspiration process and start the expiration, so that the oxygen, carbon dioxide get outside. So the lungs get steadily comes on in normal space, on normal set, and this is done during expiration. So here are the stretch receptor on the alveoli. There is stretch receptor present which they are sending the nerve impulse with the help of this vagus nerve. कि अभी मैं ऑक्सीजन अंदर नहीं ले सकता, अगर ले गया तो मैं फट सकता हूँ. So it avoid to bursting. This is done, and this all the phenomena which are controlled and done by the Harrier-Greer reflex. जो the intake of oxygen and outtake of CO2. So at what time the lungs is full of oxygen, and now the lungs have to expel the CO2 because it get full of the oxygen. So this all the process done by the Harrier-Greer reflex. So this is control the depth of the respirations, the rhythm of the respiration. I am talking about the normal respiration process. The candidate having a steady and or a sitting positions. So he breathed 12 times. Well, in exams there is a MCQ on this chapter, that a human adult how many times breathe per minute. There is a answer is 12 times breathe per minute. So the respiratory center has connect with the cerebral cortex, जो दिमाग में रहता है, cerebral cortex, which means there is a voluntary change which you can control your breath up for some time, for some second. If you go somewhere and there is an anomalous smell, आप कहीं जाते हो वहाँ पे smell अच्छी नहीं है, so you can control your breath within a second. Only this thing can be, you can voluntarily change, and this is why this is due to because cerebral cortex. अपने माइंड में एक ऐसा हार्मोन है जो कंट्रोल करता है हमारे वॉलंटरी ब्रीथ को, कि हम कब ब्रीथ ले और ना ले, तो ले तो कितना, मतलब इफ यू आर डूइंग योगासन, सो यू हैव टू टेक लॉन्ग ब्रीथ, एंड समटाइम्स इफ यू आर डूइंग जॉगिंग, अभी आप रनिंग करके आ रहे हो तो आपका इंस्पिरेशन रेट ज़्यादा है. सो दिस इज कंट्रोल बाय द सेरेब्रल कॉर्टेक्स. एंड देयर इज हार्मोन प्रेजेंट इन योर pons medulla which are responsible for having produced to you sleep and also to wake up from the sleep. आपको सोना कब है और आपको जागना कब है, दिस इज ऑल्सो कंट्रोल बाय द pons medulla oblongata. इसके अंदर एक हार्मोन रहता है, वो आपको कंट्रोल करता है कि भाई आपको सोना है और अभी आपको नींद से जगना है. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर रेगुलेशन ऑफ ब्रीदिंग. कैसे कैसे होता है आपने देख लिया. एक O2, if there is a decrease in O2 secretions, so the nerves, vagus nerve again gives the impulse to the brain that intake of oxygen less, so that the brain stimulate the nerve for the stress reception to get the more oxygen into the lungs. So inspiration and expiration both the process are continuous simultaneously. ऐसा नहीं होता कि भाई अभी मैं रुकूं कि सांस लूं फिर आपको पढ़ाऊं. नो, इट्स नॉर्मल ब्रीदिंग. अभी मैं आपको पढ़ा रहा हूँ, ब्रीदिंग इज कंटिन्यूसली डन. सो दिस इज ऑल द regulation of breathing. There is some common disorders of respiratory systems. You can have one idea with that. The page number 161. Here is one total chart. Okay. So today we stop the regulation of breathing. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.